why that I'm buying the Samsung S. Why Samsung Fold? Why I'm buying it? Um, Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy IC Street Tech coming to you guys. I'm just going to do like a quick vlog just about the Samsung Fold. We just want to talk about the Samsung Fold, just get it, my opinion, what I think about it, why that I'm buying the Samsung S. Why Samsung Fold? Why I'm buying it. There's a lot of reasons why I'm buying, and I'm just going to give you guys a full review, full-fledged of my experience and everything else with it. Not just because I'm actually buying it, to be honest with you, for my channel to show you guys, about the product, what I feel about it. And another reason why I am buying is because I feel like that's a prototype that we could use. That is a prototype that Samsung's bringing out there for us to test out, to play with. Leaving the consumers, they could buy it too if they feel like they want to buy it. But to me, I feel like the Samsung S Fold is something, I call it S Fold. Samsung Fold is just something that could be changing a lot of things with, notes and tablets, because that screen is very, very thin. You got to realize too, the screen is very, very thin. Now I noticed S10 Plus have their own screen protector on it. That was for the reason because that in-display, fingerprint, that new technology with the fingerprint scanner. But also, you got to understand too, that phone is basically something Samsung is trying out, prototype, something they want to do this to bring it out, to trying to change the reality for phones. To me, I feel like the phone is a great phone to probably try out and use. If you're a consumer, you want to try it out and just use it. Yeah, everybody's having these problems with their phones breaking and saying the screen is cracking and all this stuff. That's going to happen with devices, especially when screens is that thin. What happened to people when they buy TVs and those screens are that thin? What happened? Some people buy duds. Some people have TVs that break. But guess what? You have warranty. You have insurance. You could get that replaced. So by telling Samsung not to put a product out there that they believe in and they worked hard to develop for us to check out and us to play with instead of them playing with it, I think that's a no-no. I don't think you should tell Samsung, a billion-dollar company, a million-dollar company, that don't make a product because of the Samsung 7 Note fail. Now that Note fail, yes, that was a problem. There was a situation with the battery situation. They were trying to try something new to help us out. But it happens. Everybody's not perfect in the tech world. It happens. But in the long run, it's something to test out. But guess what? You still have warranty with your device. You have a 1-year warranty. It doesn't matter. So if your phone, this mess I seen the fly, if your phone cracks and it's not your fault by you dropping it or, face down or open face down dropping it, or your kid is, jamming it with a pencil or something like that, you can get that easy replaced with your insurance or the year warranty of Samsung. Say, hey, we're just going to give you another one because of the fail of that. So this is just my opinion as a tech reviewer. I'm not big, but I'm working on trying to get there. I'm working to, show you guys what type of person I am and working in tech, cars, and games. That's just something, my hobby, is something I love to do, and that's why I put it out here and make YouTube channels on it. I'll even play basketball a little bit. I play baseball. So that's something I'll be probably making my own vlogs for on my own channel once I reach to a high mark on this tech channel. But this oh, there's a bee over there. There's a freaking bee. But in the long run, I'm scared of bees. But the simple fact is, what I'm trying to say is, Samsung, keep making that product. Make it out. Launch it. Those are going to be trials and errors with that device, because the simple fact is, it's new. It's a prototype. You can make it a Kickstarter, people invest into it, and you could just probably wait. But guess what? You're a $1 million company, billion-dollar company, whatever. You don't have to make a you don't have to make a Kickstarter thing. you could sell this price. I would pay $19 for it. I know it's $2,000 for it, but I will pay it just because I believe into the product you're trying to make for the future. And this is just a prototype, like I said before. This is something for the future. And this is the reason why I said I'm buying, and the reason why I'm still getting it, even though these people is having problems. But actually also, these are press guys are using it. We don't know what they did to make that phone break. Just like people when they make iPhones. When iPhone come out, they find the flaws and things like that, saying why not to buy, why this problem. What are you doing? That's not a tech reviewer. That's a freaking person who whines a lot about things. Tech is not perfect. Tech is for us to go out there and explore and use it and do a lot of things with it. You know, it's going to have flaws and errors. I mean, just like me, I'm a detailer. I detail cars. I'm not going to be perfect detailing car. I'm going to detail your car, trying to do 100% perfect. But because of the car situation, it might not be me. It might be the flaws of the car. Just like that display. It's a thin piece of paper display. You're going to keep folding. What if you actually drop something in there, a penny, a quarter, or something by going in your pocket, and you closed it going in your pocket, and there's a quarter or keys or something in your pocket to make that screen do that? That could happen. And then the guy will go out and try to peel the display off, saying the display, oh, I made a boo-boo. I thought it was a screen protector. No, it's a thin piece of paper that's displayed. Of course, it's plastic. It's a thin piece of paper. Of course, you're going to peel the display off, and you're going to have that issue. Yes, that was the issue he did. He made a mistake on that he was looking at, that he thought it was a screen protector. Anybody would have thought that was a screen protector and peel it. But guess what? Guess what could happen? He could get a new one because he has warranty. But this is just my opinion. I just want to give that out there to you guys. This, with my thoughts and everything else. Leave a comment below what you feel about this phone. Do you feel like that flaws is the reason why you ain't buying? Like, share, give it to all your friends, you know, who you know want they're the one trying to purchase this phone. But like I said before, like and sub, because you're going to see a lot of content on this phone once it come out. I might not get it when it first well, actually, I'm going to get it when it come out, but it might not be on the 26th. It might be a week after, you know, whenever they could get it to us. But Samsung, please don't stop the production for this. Just because those little errors happen, there was only 2 or 3 people that happened to. Not millions of people that happened to. It's going to be accidents. There's going to be things that can happen like that. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button. Sub, and I'll catch you right back in the next video. Peace.